Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to speed up weight loss. All right, first and foremost, we all know that you need to cut out your sugars and decrease your carbs to about 20 grams of carbs per day when you're first starting out and do the ketogenic diet. So number one, start out only having 3 meals a day. And what I mean by that is you're eating healthy fats. You're going to cut out carbs to 20 to 20 grams per carbs per day. And you're going to cut out all your sugars. Okay, and then so you're going to be eating 70% of healthy fats, 15% of proteins, and then 50% of healthy carbohydrates in the form of green leafy vegetables. And you're going to have just 3 meals of those. You're not going to be doing anything else but the 3 meals. And that leads me to number 2, no snacks. Okay, you're going to want to stay with your meals. And what I recommend doing is your last meal of the day. You should do that, like say for instance, if you start your day about 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning, your last meal of the day should be about 5:30, no later than 5:30, and then start your next meal in the next day between 7:30 and 8. That way your body has a time of fasting. So and then that way, once you start getting used to eating the healthy keto diet, the healthy fats that you're eating, you're not going to be hungry. Okay, so the 70% of healthy fats are going to be like your healthy oils, your olive oil, your extra virgin olive oil, your avocado oil, healthy nuts like macadamia nuts, pecans, walnuts, that sort of thing. Then for your protein, on your 3 meals of your protein, you're going to want to have 3 to 6 ounces of your protein, no more, because if you have too much protein in your diet, that's going to turn into carbohydrates, into sugars. So if you limit it down to 3 to 6 ounces, you're going to be in the ratio of 70, 15, and 15. You're going to be right where you need to be, and your body's going to be loving the foods, and you're not going to be hungry. Now, the transition phase, the first 2, maybe 3 days, you may have a little bit of hunger. Try to push through it. Try to get through it and just do 3 meals per day. And you'll start seeing results really quick. Okay, on your vegetables, per day, you're going to want to have about 7 cups of vegetables per day, and those are going to be your healthy vegetables. Of course, that's going to be like your healthy lettuces, your spinach, your dark type of, your kale, your dark green vegetables. So you're going to want to have about 7 cups of that per day. And then, as I said before, no sugars. You got to cut those sugars out. The sugars and the carbs are what's going to start. Sugars and your carbs, if you keep having that in your diet, you're not going to be seeing your weight loss. Because your body will still be running on the sugars and the carbohydrates as opposed to running on the fats. Because fats, are the ketones, and that's what your body really loves to run on. Your brain and your heart runs 20% more efficiently on a healthy fat diet than it does on a carbohydrate or a sugar diet. So you're going to want to make sure no sugars. Okay guys, just want to take this quick video and kind of share this with you. We're going to be diving in deeper to the science side of this. We're going to be diving deeper into the science side of this in future videos, but I just want to make a quick video to kind of help get you jump started into seeing more of a weight loss really fast. Me, I'm not a very big guy, but as soon as I switched to the healthy version of keto, within less than a month, I had already dropped 20 pounds, and I'm not a big guy anyways. But I can tell a difference. So I had a fatty liver. I was diagnosed with a fatty liver, hypertension, all the stuff. And I can tell you right now that my blood pressure is normal. It's 120 over like 78 all the time. I can tell the difference. I'm not sluggish. I feel better. So the ketogenic diet, as long as you're doing a healthy ketogenic diet, you'll be able to see results. You'll be able to lose the weight that you want. You'll be able to feel great and have more energy. So anyways, that's what we're here to do. We're here to help you guys to have a healthier life, to help you live longer. That way you're there for that way you're there for your kids, and on down the line. All right guys, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.